it's Nazara from Nazara's Fine Crafts. Thank you for joining us today on this channel. Today we are going to look through Darn Good Yarns, DIY Frog, amigurumi. I don't know how to say that word. I'm going to have to look that up on Google. Knit and crochet starter kit. I do have a Darn Good Yarn subscription. I will link a few of those videos below if you are interested in maybe getting that box. It gives you yarn. They also have a bead of the month, a sock of the month, and a skirt of the month club. So I will link all that below so you can check it out. So this is one of their add-ons, or one of their, you can buy separately, little kits. I thought that was super cute, the little frog there. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I do also have a March giveaway going on. It ends March 31st. The winner will be announced April 1st. So, I'll link that video down below as well so that you can maybe enter it if you would like to get some free yarn. And there's only a few days left, so you need to check that out if you're interested. So let's go ahead and look at the box. So it has a picture. It includes patterns for knitting and crocheting. I actually was really surprised because I ordered this and then a few days later I got an email from Darn Good Yarn that said they shut down their factory because of this whole coronavirus thing, and that they would not be mailing things out for 30 days. And so I was like, okay, maybe I'll just get this box later. And then it showed up in the mail, I think 2 days ago, and I was like, okay, why not? Just happy little surprise while we're social distancing. So on the back here it says included is green yarn, white yarn, black yarn, stuffing, darning needle. I don't think this is included. I think it's just saying that you will need size 4 or 3 millimeter double pointed needles, or for crocheting you will need a C2 or 3 millimeter crochet hook. But we'll see if it's inside. MSRP is $19.99. So let's go ahead. Let's see what's in here. So this is a complete yarn animal. There's no safety eyes or anything, so that's good. It said the black yarn there. And go ahead and pull this out. Alright, set the box over there. So here's the green yarn. Kind of reminds me of Red Heart Super Saver. It's just it's a little bit softer. And then just a little bit of white, a little bit of black here. So it has the stuffing. That's nice because usually things don't come with stuffing. And then we got a darning needle, a crochet hook. Okay, so it comes with a plastic crochet hook. Just see if I can get these out of here. Alright, awesome. I was surprised they sent the actual crochet hook. The darning needle, which we always need. Do you lose your needles like I do? My couch eats them. It's horrible. And then it comes with 2 sets of knitting needles. So, okay. So it includes all the knitting needles, crochet, all that. Awesome. So here is the pattern. I can't show you, sorry. You have to buy it. So it has the instructions here on how to do certain, like a chain, a single crochet, circular cast on if you're knitting, whip stitch, straight stitch, and then how to change the colors. So they have a crochet size, shows the abbreviations and the materials needed. It says make a head, a body, 2 legs, 2 arms, 2 eyes, 2 eye balls, and then the finishing. This is not for knitting. Sorry, this is a circular cast on. They use the word cast on. And so they have a knitting side as well. That's really nice because some patterns like to just put it all on the same size. I like the fact that they did a knitting side on here, which that's a knitted little frog. And then they did a crochet side, and that's the crocheted little guy. So that's pretty cool. So if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up. I will be doing an overview on the things that I have worked on this month on Monday the 30th. So that'll come out then, and I will show that little frog then. So we'll see you then. Bye.